Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kaylee here and it is 9:07 in the morning. I'm trying to get ready for my day, but not that long ago me and my boyfriend were out and the sun was setting and I took this gorgeous picture of a sunset, which I am going to insert somewhere in this frame, and I got kind of inspired by it, so I wanted to do my makeup today by that picture. So I guess we'll just jump in and get started. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get started. Alright, so this is the end of the look. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And I will catch y'all next time. Thanks, guys.